take a look at adding a floor for our vacation house. Now, looking at this house, I'm going to have at least two different types of floors. I'll have a concrete slab for the garage and then a floor for the rest of the house. The easiest floor to use throughout the house is a hardwood floor. You may choose down the road to separate some of the floors so that maybe you have a carpet in one area, a tile in your bathroom, maybe in your kitchen. But for now, I'm going to show you just applying a hardwood floor throughout the whole house and a slab in the garage. So to do this, I'm going to move to my Architecture tab, or again the Home tab for the 2012 version, and I'm looking for Floor. I'll select Floor here, and I'm going to change my properties for the floor, as I said, to a wood finish. Wood joist 10-inch wood finish. The level is first floor. And once again, boundary lines. Saw this with our roof, we saw this with our ceiling, and I'm going to use the pick walls option once again. This time though, I want to pick around the outside wall rather than the inside wall like I did with the ceiling. And again, I'll make sure I come back and clean up some of these intersections with my trim command. So here's the trim command. I'll use that to select those two parts. Continue to work your way around the perimeter of the home for these boundary lines to trim it all up. So I have one nice complete boundary all the way around. So once I have this all set, I'm ready to finish the floor. And it looks like I have a little bit of an issue there, so I'll zoom in here a little bit. Yep, just a small little gap there. Trim will take care of that. Let's try again. Okay, so there is my hardwood floor throughout the whole house. As I said, I also want to add a concrete slab to the garage. So I'll go ahead and go back to floor. This time I'll choose the concrete slab 4-inch, and I'm going to outline the garage with that. Use the trim to clean it up. And there is the garage slab floor. So I've got my floors all set. Again, if you want to come back in and you want to separate these floors out into different materials, you're welcome to do that. That's the basics of adding a floor. Your next step, once you have all your roof done and your floors done and your ceiling done, is to start adding lights and using that render tool to create this. So I'll put up one more video that shows how to create the 3D views to review that and begin to set up your renderings. You can work on that once you're done with your floors.